Hello everybody, it is your favorite alter ego. My name is Sassy Pants. That's right, I made the lady take off that damn hat. The only reason why she wore it was because she had to run into town. But anyway, alright, yes, my name is Sassy Pants and I'm here to show you. Holy crap, did she even give me my box or did she give me hers? We're doing the BOXYCHARM, you guys. A son of a bitch. You know what, shut the hell up. Dumbass, you gave me the wrong box. So now she's gonna do my box, I'm gonna do her box. Crap. Just a minute, I'm gonna get my box, not hers. And I'm back. But guess what? Like I said, you know what? Okay, listen. This is the BOXYCHARM. This is November, okay? It's got my name on it. Alright, so let's see. This is it's giving giftable glam. Whatever. I don't know what it means. Just who cares? Alright, listen. Shut the hell up. Just sit there and go to sleep. She wakes up and it's like, oh, hello. You gave me the wrong box to belong with, dumbass. Okay, so this one is, oh yes, this is for November, you guys. This is the base box. Now listen, the lady did check it, and guess what? We did not get too many things that were duplicates. That's the wonderful thing about Tiggers. I guess T-I-double-got-ers. All right, so let's go for this. All right, look, go for go, something like that. Okay. We got the Ofra Face It. I got the Ofra Face It. $35, you guys. Are you serious? $35. This thing is gorgeous. Look at outside the package. Like anybody really cares, you know? Look at this gorgeous. Is it gorgeous? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay. It doesn't matter. What is it? It's a Face It Midi palette. Okay. It's a bronzer, contour, and highlight. Okay. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, great. I don't do any of those things. So it's in the go pile. Yes, because I don't need it. The Beauty Trio. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this lady right here. She looks hideous here and she looks better there. Oh yes, it does look. Okay, well, vice versa. Reverse that. Who cares? Hideous, absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I do. I like this. After one application, I wonder if I could do that, you know, in my ass. Anyway, Bright Eyes. Depuffing and brightening pads. Yes, they're 8 eye gels. There's 8 pairs in here. Oh my god, that's quite a bit. Let's see what the hell they look like. That's them in the single. They're individually packaged. So that's absolutely great. You know, we need Bright Eyes right now. We've been feeling like shit, you guys. Yes, we have. You know what? I wonder if I'm allowed to just express myself when I do unboxings. I don't know. I don't care. She can always put the warning in the beginning of the video. So, all right, that one. Okay, those are $28. And then there is the Real Her. We've seen these like 100 times. $30. These are lip liners. Oh, excuse me, eyeliners. These are them. Sorry. But they're metallic, you guys. Look how beautiful those colors are. Those will make my eyes stand out for Greg. Yes, they will. Greg, you would love these. Oh, yes, you will. I will get all dolled up and you can take me to the pool hall. Yes. I'm just gonna end up coming home smelling like smoke anyway. Drinking a whole bunch of 7 and 7s. All right, okay, so we're a little off topic. The Mabel, oh, metallic eyeliner tool. Son of a... See, when you just wake up and sit there and stare at me, dumbass, you make me just mess up in my videos. So go to sleep. Just shut the hell up. Okay, $30. And then there's the Luna Magic. Check these out. This is mango and cherry. I don't know what's in there. I haven't seen what's in there yet. She has, I think. I don't know. Maybe she did. Okay. Oh, there's for your lips. What are these? These are the Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. Oh, we need this right now. $16. It's a new launch. Oh, yes. Let's put on some of this mango. Okay, let's make it happen. Is it clear? Oh, it's not. You see? It's not. Look. Just look at the damn thing. Shut the hell up. Tell your kids to be quiet. Oh, yes. Okay. Not a very strong mango. But mango doesn't have a strong scent. I hope it is hydrating. Because my lips being sick, we have done nothing but we've gone through boxes and boxes of Kleenex. Oh yes, we have. Me and the husband. Me, the lady, the husband, the whole boardroom is just sick. Okay. So there was mango, you guys. Oh, I forgot to show you both of them. Shut the hell up. Okay. There we go. Mango and cherry. Those are gonna come in so handy. Gonna have to put those in the lady's car, which is getting washed outside because I parked it in front of the house instead of underneath her awning, you know, her carport. The next one is Ciate London. What is this one? It's called Velvet Lip Liner. Oh dear Lord, we got so many of these. These are just like box fillers. Also lip liner, you guys. It's cocoa. That's the color of it. It's cocoa. You see? It's a twist up. Let's do something on the back of my hand. Back of my hand. I think we're gonna keep this one because it's just okay. Just I like it. So if she doesn't keep hers, I'm keeping mine. If we got doubles. It's only $18. It's no big deal. Okay, that's it. That's everything inside of my BOXYCHARM base box. And how much was the total? I don't know. It's gonna be right there. You guys always know, so just shut up, okay? I mean, settle down, settle down, settle down. William, what the hell are you wearing? I think you raided the ladies' closet and you mix-matched a couple of outfits because no, that does not match. But you know what? Neither do you, so it's okay. All right, it's Edward. Hello. Okay, so news update. Edward and William are back together. Just letting you know, me and Greg, we are doing fantastic. We haven't been able to make out or kiss, you know, Frenchie. Because I've been very sick. Yesterday was the high fever. Oh, yes, it was. Monday, we was in the fever land. Oh, we were. Just wiped out. And how is the lady and the husband? Sicker than dogs. Yes. How is lazy ass, dumbass, and smart cookie doing? Oh, they're all sick. Duh, it's everybody from the boardroom. So just keep those prayers coming. Thank you very much. And please let me know what your favorite product was down in the destruction box. Or no, the destruction box. Never mind. In the comment sections down below. Yes, I'd like to know which one you like the best. I know what my favorite was. I think it's the mango. You know how you want to taste it? Okay, all right. Anyway, I won't waste your time anymore. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would please subscribe before you leave, because subscribers are the only ones that can win giveaways. And trust me, once we start feeling better, we're going to start doing some giveaways. Oh, holy crap. Yes, we are. Shut the hell up, dumb ass. Yes, I am. I'm part of the show too, in the production crew, so I get to make some rules. Yes, we're going to be doing giveaways. Oh, and Miss Michael Weber, Amy, because we've been sick and haven't been getting out, I do have your box, so it will be going out hopefully this week because we are starting to feel, you know, just a little better. So thank you so much for your patience, your love, dedication, support, and all that good stuff. You guys take care, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.